Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how to easily remove background of any photo in iPhone. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to go to the App Store. In the App Store, you need to search for one application named as Photo Room. As you can see here, Photo Room. Just tap on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it. So after installing, you will see a open button. So you can click on open. On opening the application for the first time, you will see user interface. So what you need to do, you can see here, start from a photo, just tap it here. Choose the photo from your photo library. It will start scanning, so wait for a few seconds until it gets auto detected. And you can see directly auto removes the picture background. So you can see here, you can change even the background effects directly from the application itself. So you can see here, different layouts, different lookouts, so you can apply this kind of effects too after cutting. And if you need a plain image, then you can use the plain templates too. So once you are satisfied with the cutouts, then what you can do, you can see here up, just tap on this button and you can see here save in the Photos app. Just tap on it, it will be saved in your photo library. So we'll check it by going in the photo applications. So we'll go there and we'll check. Now you can see here your photo cutout has been set. So using this application, you can easily cut your photo background, and you can even add different background effects using this simple application. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.